Meet Alex, once full of dreams and potential. His life took an unexpected turn due to the choices he made. What if the decisions you make today shape your tomorrow in ways you cannot even imagine? In this video, we'll be discussing a topic that is both crucial and often overlooked: why you should stay sexually pure until marriage and tips to succeed. I'll share with you the benefits of waiting, the potential dangers of not waiting, and offer some practical tips to help you navigate this challenging journey. Yeah, I know it's challenging in this time when sex has become so cheap and has lost its sanctity. So I encourage you to give me few minutes of your time, because if you miss this, you might just be missing something so essential to your life and future. In today's world, messages about sex are everywhere, often promoting the noun over the letter. But have you ever wondered what the reward of waiting could be? I have been in these shoes of staying sexually pure until marriage, so I can boldly tell you it pays to wait. Now, let me take you through the benefits of maintaining premarital sexual purity, the dangers and tips to succeed. Welcome back. First, staying pure helps you maintain your emotional well-being. Avoiding premarital sex helps you maintain your mental health from the emotional drama that is associated with premarital sex. Ask women who get involved in premarital sex, you will realize that majority of them get at least one heartbreak in addition to other forms of emotional torture. This is not unconnected to the fact that most men love exploring sex from different women. While enjoying this fantasy, the jump from one woman to the other, causing heartbreaks to many women. Sadly, some women are so emotional to the point that they are traumatized to the extent that they attempt to take their own lives. My dear, premarital sex is associated with sudden or gradual loss of interest and affection for each other, especially by men. This is why you will see once hot love suddenly dying off, and a lady who has dated a man for years being dumb at the point of marital decision by a man. This is because the excitement is no longer there and there is nothing really more appetizing to explore. So, when you get involved in premarital sex with that man or that woman, you stand the risk of being disappointed or being broken emotionally. This can lead to the feeling of guilt, regret, and emotional torture. If you stick to sexual purity and a man comes to you knowing these boundaries of yours and sincerely decides to stick to you faithfully, he has most likely come to stay to have you in his future. Premarital sexual abstinence is one of the biggest strengths you can see in any woman, let alone a man. The second point is this: staying sexually pure secures your physical health. A woman's genital makeup makes her more vulnerable to sexual transmitted infections. Sexual transmitted infections has destroyed the life and bright future of too many young people globally. More so, this has kept many ladies and men in the physical distress with many consequences such as infertility. One most common dangers of premarital sex is unplanned pregnancies, with challenges such as trauma, loss of self-esteem and values. Take note, unplanned pregnancies may not just affect you as the lady, but may affect that innocent child whose life you may destroy by abortion or bringing the child into the world to face shame and lack of proper parenting. If you do not want to end up becoming a baby mama, a school dropout, or even face complications or death in attempt to commit an abortion, my dear, abstinence from premarital sex is the proactive way to protect your physical health and your future. The third point is this: staying pure helps you stay spiritually aligned. From the Christian perspective, the Bible refers to your body as a temple of God, where the Holy Spirit dwells. Constantly defiling your body makes you spiritually impure to host the Holy Spirit. And if the Holy Spirit does not dwell in that impure body, then trust me, you have a conducive environment for demons to dwell. This is why the Holy Bible warns us in the book of 1 Corinthians 6:18. It says, "Flee from sexual immoralities, for every other sin a person commits is outside the body, but the sexually immoral person sins against his own body." One way to stay spiritually strong and aligned with your Creator is to flee away from sexual immoralities. For those who have the spiritual maturity to understand this, sexual immoralities weakens a man spiritually. Sex is not just a physical act, it is also spiritual. I'll soon post a video on the spiritual dimensions of sex, so subscribe now and turn on that notification bell so that you won't miss out. Now, let me share some of the tips which help me to successfully abstain from premarital sex. Number 1. Set clear boundaries. Decide what your limits are and communicate them openly before you jump into any relationship. This mutual understanding will help prevent situations that might lead to temptation. However, if you see any sign of danger by that partner to break this boundary, please call it off. If he or she cannot cope with your boundaries, please let them go. It is a matter of yes or no. Number 2. Seek supportive community. Surround yourself with friends and mentors who share similar values with you in this regard. Sharing your journey with like-minded individuals provide encouragement, strengthen you, and motivate you to remain sexually pure. Number 3. Engage in fulfilling activities. Do things that you love doing, like your hobbies and passion that enrich your life. Keeping busy with positive activities can divert your attention from these temptations. Number 4. Stay rooted in faith. This cannot even be overemphasized. When you get busy with regular prayers, meditations, and studying of the scriptures, this will strengthen your faith. Remember the words of Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Choosing purity is a personal decision that honors your body, your emotion, and your spirit. It is a journey of self-respect and faith that leads to a more fulfilling future. Thank you for being here with us today. If this message resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Remember, the choices you make today shape your tomorrow. Choose wisely, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.